Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make a spiced grilled chicken. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. For the marinade, I'll grind up some spices, black peppercorns, coriander seeds. If you don't have whole spices, you can use already ground ones. Cumin seeds, fennel seeds. Put the ground spices into a bowl. Add chili powder, ground cloves, ground cinnamon, garlic powder, onion powder, sugar. Give this a mix. Almost forgot the salt. Add some apple cider vinegar and oil. You can use vegetable or canola. And here's our marinade. Pour the marinade over the chicken. And mix the marinade into the chicken really well. This is a really easy and time-saving recipe for all your summer barbecues. You can easily double this recipe for a large gathering. Make sure every piece is coated with the marinade. Set the chicken aside for at least 2 hours. After your chicken's finished marinating, heat up a grill. I'm using my cast iron grill. I like this grill because I can use it any time of year indoors. Make sure to oil your grill. Grill is hot and ready. We can put the chicken on. The cast iron grills do get very hot and stays hot, so don't use a high heat. I leave it on medium to medium low. After a few minutes, we can turn the chicken. The chicken shouldn't stick to the grill. You should be able to turn it over easily. Chicken comes off easily. You can see it's cooked. This one's not quite ready yet. Don't force them off the grill, just leave them alone until they come off on their own. Chicken's juicy. This is definitely not a mild grilled chicken, something different from the usual grilled chicken. You do want the chicken to be golden brown and a little charred on the outside so the spices get toasted a little. It's almost like a crispy coating. I like to serve the spicy chicken with some fresh cut up pineapple. The chicken is spicy, the pineapple sweet. They balance each other out perfectly. Give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.